The 2026 Ferrari F430 is a modern reinterpretation of one of Ferrari's most iconic mid-engine sports cars, seamlessly blending its legendary legacy with cutting-edge technology and design enhancements. The original F430 debuted in the early 2000s and quickly became a fan favorite for its raw V8 power and precision handling. Fast forward to 2026, Ferrari has brought the F430 nameplate back to life, but with a futuristic twist that honors its heritage while embracing electrification, innovation, and aggressive Italian styling. At first glance, the exterior of the new F430 is nothing short of breathtaking. The design language retains the muscular curves and low-slung stance that define the original, but now with sharper aerodynamics, reimagined LED matrix headlights, and sculpted carbon fiber elements. Across the body, the front fascia features wide air intakes, an active aero splitter, and a low profile that hugs the road. Along the sides, air channels are carved with precision to cool the high-performance powertrain and brakes, while maintaining optimal downforce. At the rear, the classic twin-circular taillights return, but are now infused with dynamic lighting elements. The quad exhaust tips have been retained, but they're now integrated into a more aggressive rear diffuser. Optional carbon fiber exterior packages and exclusive paint colors like Rosso Imola and Gallo Modena add to its visual drama. The F430 rides on new 21-inch forged alloy wheels wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires, engineered specifically for Ferrari's advanced chassis system. Thanks to extensive use of carbon fiber and aluminum in the chassis and body, the car maintains a low curb weight, improving handling agility and acceleration. The active suspension system, paired with rear-wheel steering and dynamic traction control, ensures the F430 feels just as composed on twisty mountain roads as it does on the track. Step inside, and the cabin of the 2026 F430 welcomes you with a perfect balance of modern luxury and driver-focused ergonomics. Ferrari hasn't lost its flair for combining high performance with Italian craftsmanship. The cockpit features a redesigned digital instrument cluster, a large central infotainment screen with Ferrari's latest UX interface, and haptic touch controls integrated into the carbon fiber steering wheel. Leather, Alcantara, and exposed carbon fiber dominate the interior, available in a range of color combinations through Ferrari's tailor-made customization program. The driver's seat offers perfect positioning with electrically adjustable bucket seats, carbon fiber trim, and contrast stitching that speaks to Ferrari's racing DNA. Ambient lighting has been tastefully added, giving the interior a modern yet emotional feel. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless charging, and a premium 12-speaker JBL audio system are all included, but these luxuries never overshadow the raw, performance-oriented vibe of the cockpit. Under the hood, the 2026 F430 departs from its traditional, naturally aspirated roots and adopts a hybrid V8 powertrain. It pairs a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 with a high-output electric motor, delivering a combined output of 890 horsepower and 900 newton-meters of torque. This hybrid setup not only improves acceleration, but also boosts fuel efficiency and reduces emissions. A new 8-speed dual-clutch transmission sends power to the rear wheels, launching the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.6 seconds and reaching a top speed north of 215 mph. Ferrari has paid meticulous attention to how the hybrid system interacts with the driving experience. The electric motor delivers instant torque for rapid off-the-line launches, while the V8 engine provides that unmistakable Ferrari growl at higher revs. With multiple drive modes including iDrive for electric-only cruising, hybrid for balanced performance, and qualify for maximum output, the F430 adapts seamlessly to both city driving and track days. Brake-by-wire technology, torque vectoring, and adaptive dampers make the car feel agile, responsive, and planted at all times. In terms of pricing, the 2026 Ferrari F430 doesn't come cheap as expected from the prancing horse brand. The base price starts at around $330,000, but with customization options, carbon fiber add-ons, and performance upgrades, most buyers will likely cross the $400,000 mark easily. Ferrari's bespoke program allows each F430 to be a unique reflection of its owner, which only adds to the appeal of exclusivity. Whether you're a longtime Ferrari enthusiast or a new admirer of Italian automotive excellence, the 2026 F430 stands as a modern marvel redefining what a high-performance supercar can be in a hybrid era. It combines the legacy of the past with the innovation of the future, offering brutal speed, high-tech engineering, and handcrafted beauty all in one seductive package. From the roar of the engine to the tactile feel of the steering, the F430 is not just a car, it's an emotion on wheels, engineered to thrill and built to last.